In 2015, a crew of elderly criminals pulled off one of Britain's biggest heists. Their average age, 63 years old. The Hatton Garden Safe Deposit Vault was London's Diamond District fortress. Reinforced concrete walls, multiple security systems, hundreds of safe deposit boxes filled with £200 million in jewels and cash. These veteran thieves spent months planning their Easter weekend strike. They disabled the elevator and rappelled down the shaft like action heroes. For 3 straight days, they drilled through solid concrete with industrial equipment. Their decades of criminal experience paid off. They knew exactly how to exploit the one security flaw when minimal staff was around. Box after box, they emptied the vault's treasures. But their age became their downfall. These old-school criminals didn't understand modern surveillance. They left a trail of CCTV footage and mobile phone evidence that led straight to their doors. The grandfathers of crime thought they could outsmart 21st century technology. They were wrong. One by one, the elderly gang was arrested and sentenced to prison.